Hey everybody. So we have a quantitative comparison question. So we have these two quantities and we want to compare them. Remember, it's always one is greater than the other, they're equal, or you just can't determine the relationship with the information given. So in this question, it's definitely not going to be D because we understand that we have solid numbers here and we can work this out. So what we're going to do here, noticing that these are expressions, we're going to simplify the expressions to see what the value is and then compare them afterward. So the answer here is B. Let me just show you why. So first off, I'll start off with quantity A. I'll do that right over here. So we have negative 15, subtracting, then parentheses negative 3 all squared. So what we want to do here is follow our order of operations. So taking care of the parentheses first. There's nothing to take care of, so we'll move to the exponent. So negative 3 squared would give us a positive 9 because negative multiplied by a negative equals positive 9, because again, something squared is itself being multiplied by itself. So there we are, and then write everything else down. Negative 15, don't forget the minus symbol, and there we are. So negative 15 minus 9 would give us negative 24. I know a common mistake might have been, hey, a negative and a negative makes a positive. Nope, the parentheses is there for a reason. You have to do that first. So up next, we're going to take care of quantity B. So I'll just write that out again, making sure to write it nice and carefully. But for the same reason, again, we're going to take care of the parentheses, but now we look at the inside and we see that we have another parentheses. So we'll take care of the inside first. That negative 2, again, nothing to take care of, so we're going to square it, and negative 2 multiplied by itself is a positive 4. So write everything else down, and then just move forward. 15 plus 4 is 19. And there's a negative in front of it, so then it'll just be negative 19. Just like that. And there we are. So with that said, we see clearly that if we have negative 19 versus negative 24, negative 19 is bigger because it is less negative. And so quantity B is greater. There's our answer.